Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial I will show you how to fix MECCHA Chameleon cloud save error. So if you're getting cloud save error in MECCHA Chameleon game, then here follow the fixes. Now the first fix is to check date and time and region and sync time. So open Windows settings. On the left click on time and language, then click on date and time. And here make sure set time zone automatically is turned on. If it is turned off, then turn it on. Also make sure set time automatically is on. If it is off, then turn it on. Now scroll down. Under additional settings, you will see sync now option. So click on sync now and make sure you get this tick mark. If you don't get this tick mark, then click on sync now multiple times until and unless you get the tick mark. And then click on language and region. Now here you will see the country or region. Make sure you select the correct region and then you can go ahead, launch the game and check if the cloud save error is fixed or not. Now if your error is not solved, then you can follow the fix too. So open Windows PowerShell and then type this code and then launch the game from Steam. So in Windows search type Windows PowerShell and open the Windows PowerShell as an administrator. So click on run as administrator, click yes to allow. Now in this PowerShell command, enter this code. I will provide this code in my video description. Just copy it from there and then paste it over here and then hit enter and then close this and then launch the game from the Steam and check if your problem is solved or not. Now if still your problem is not solved, then restart your PC. Simply restart your PC and after your PC restart, then you can launch the Steam and then you can launch the game and check if the cloud save error is fixed or not. So I hope by following these fixes you can easily solve cloud save error in MECCHA Chameleon game. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my channel, share this video and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you.